weaves like a golden thread. In the story of our lives, it's spread. It's special because it doesn't last. Once it's gone, it becomes past. With time, we learn and we grow. It helps us accomplish things, you know. We need it to be healthy and strong, to relax, rest, and right the wrongs. Our dreams and goals, time helps achieve. In life's adventures, it's what we need. Time brings people close, builds trust. In its moments, we find love a must. When we make mistakes, it's okay. Time teaches us a better way. In the future, we'll do things right. Thanks to the lessons, day and night. Our legacy, what we leave behind, is shaped by how we use our time. Make it count, make it bright. In life's journey, day and night.